Hi, in this video I will demonstrate the steps to bring up checkbox.io application using Ansible. Checkbox.io is a Node.js based web application. It uses MongoDB as its database. To start with, I have created two virtual machines. One is our Ansible server and the other the node in which we install the application. I have added the IP address of the node into the host file of Ansible. We are already in our Ansible server. Let's have a look into the host file. We can see that the IP address of the node is listed here along with the credentials that are required to log in into the node. Now let's have a look into the playbook. All the tasks that are to be done by the Ansible is listed here. To start with, I have installed all the basic packages that are required for this process. It includes GCC, Git and Python properties. After that, I have installed Node.js, Nginx and MongoDB. Followed by that, I have created an admin user in the MongoDB. This user will be used for all the DB related access from the Node.js application. Next, I am cloning the Git repository. I have made the necessary changes to bring up this application smoothly in this repository. Followed by that, I am copying all the Nginx configuration files that are in the repository into their respective positions and then restarting the Nginx server. Once the Nginx server is up, I am bringing up the Node.js application. For this, I am using a module called Forever, which will demonize the process and keep it running forever. The DB credentials as well as the email credentials that are required by the checkbox.io applications are retrieved from using environment variables. For that, I have made changes in the JavaScript files where the connection strings include all the environment variables as one of them listed here. I am using a module called .env to load environment variables from a configuration file. A sample configuration file is here. It includes the DB credentials and the email credentials that are required by the application. Now let's run our Ansible playbook and have a look. We can see that the Ansible script has run properly. Now let's check the website. The HTML files are rendered here properly as well, and if we see the preview, we can see that the preview has also rendered well. So the Node.js application is working fine. Now let's save this survey and have a look. The survey is getting treated properly. It means that the application is working fine. Also, the links in the applications are working fine.